Most people think attractiveness is about perfect skin, a perfect body, or a perfect face. But psychology says something completely different. Your attractiveness has much more to do with behavior than with looks. Someone average can look incredibly attractive, and someone beautiful can lose their charm instantly, all because of simple psychological behaviors. In this video, you'll learn 10 powerful psychology tricks that make you instantly more attractive without changing anything about your appearance. These tricks work at school, work, friendships, relationships, anywhere people judge your vibe. Let's begin. Star 1. The calm confidence effect. Attractive people don't rush. They move slowly, speak slowly, and stay calm even in stressful situations. Psychology shows that slow, controlled behavior makes your brain appear more confident, more powerful, more trustworthy. If you want to look instantly attractive, slow down your walk, your gestures, your breathing, your speech. Confidence is magnetic, and calm confidence is the most attractive of all. Star 2. The power pause. Attractive people never answer questions instantly. They take half a second before speaking. This power pause does three things: makes you look confident, makes your words seem thoughtful, creates natural charisma. Fast talkers seem nervous. Slow, measured speakers seem attractive. Try pausing for half a second before answering. You'll immediately feel and look more powerful. Star 3. Show genuine curiosity. Nothing is more attractive than someone who listens with real interest. Ask small questions. How did that happen? What was that like for you? Then what happened? Psychology shows that when people talk more about themselves, they feel more connected to you. Being interested makes you attractive, more than looks ever will. Star 4. The triangle eye contact trick. Eye contact can be intense or uncomfortable, so use this simple trick. Look at one eye, then the other, then the lips, forming a triangle. This creates soft intimacy, confidence, and subtle attraction, but it never feels creepy or too intense. The person feels you're fully present, and presence is extremely attractive. Star 5. Be unbothered by small things. Attractive people don't react emotionally to little problems. If someone bumps into them, if someone makes a small rude comment, if something goes wrong, they stay calm. This unbothered energy signals emotional strength, and emotional strength is deeply attractive. Weak reactions are unattractive. Controlled reactions are powerful and magnetic. Star 6. Speak with warmth, not loudly. Attractive people don't overpower others with loudness. They speak warmly, not loudly. Warm voice signals safety, maturity, confidence. People will instantly enjoy your presence more when your voice carries warmth instead of tension. Warm voice equals attractive energy. Star 7. Keep your hands visible. Sounds strange, but it's true. People trust you more when they can see your hands. Hidden hands signal danger. Visible hands signal honesty. So avoid hands in pockets, arms crossed, hands behind your back. Instead, open palms, relaxed gestures, hands at your sides. Psychology proves attractive people appear open, not closed. Star 8. Laugh easily, but not excessively. A person who laughs easily seems fun and approachable, but someone who laughs at everything seems insecure. The attractive balance is smile often, laugh naturally, stay relaxed, don't force it. A genuine laugh releases chemicals that make others instantly comfortable around you. Star 9. Don't chase attention, let it come to you. People become instantly less attractive when they try too hard. Constant jokes, constant talking, constant attention seeking. It kills mystery, confidence, and charm. Attractive people stay comfortable in silence, don't try to impress, let others come to them. This creates a quiet, powerful aura people love. Star 10. Focus on one person at a time. Nothing is more attractive than someone who makes you feel like you're the only person in the room. When someone talks, turn your body slightly toward them, give soft eye contact, answer thoughtfully, and let them finish. This creates a deep connection, even in short interactions. Attractiveness isn't about looking perfect. It's about behaving in ways that show confidence, warmth, and emotional strength. Practice these 10 psychology tricks each day. Move calmly, speak slowly, listen deeply, smile softly, be unbothered, stay present. You'll notice that people react differently, treat you differently, and feel more drawn to your energy. If you liked this video, subscribe to Mind Blossom for more psychology and self-growth videos. Attractiveness is a skill, and you can master it.